DJ Manufacturing produces the Screen King, Screen Titan portable earth screening machines. Screen King is our Canadian trade name, and Screen Titan is the trade name in the US and the rest of the world. For the purposes of this video, we will simply refer to it as the Screen Titan. You may notice some shots in this video of the Screen Titan with a removable loading pan. These are older machines which are still providing stellar service for their owners, and which we wanted to include in this video. But the loading pan has evolved since then and is now an integral part of the screen bed. You will also see shots where the front sluice has been removed from the machine. This is done when three-way separation is unnecessary and only the fines are required. The Screen Titan is a dependable and portable earth screener that is as economical to operate as it is affordable. Designed to deliver 3 separate grades of product from each and every screen cycle, the Screen Titan Ultra can handle up to 3 cubic yards of material per charge. Its 4 foot by 10.5 foot screen deck and integrated loading pan provide a total of 13.5 feet of travel, guaranteeing that each load is completely screened in a typical 20-second cycle time. Patented in the US and Canada and being manufactured under license in other parts of the world, the Screen Titan is proving to be a valuable asset to the earth screening industry in North America and around the world. The Screen Titan is ideally suited for the landscaper, general civic contractor, golf course operator, compost facility, concrete and asphalt plant, or quarry operator. One of the many advantages the Screen Titan has over conventional screeners is that its single belt drive system with the boomerang style double pulley tensioning arm is completely mechanical. There are no hydraulic pumps, hoses, or fluids to maintain or change. Except for following scheduled engine maintenance, the only consumable part on the screener is the industrial drive belt, available from auto parts suppliers and farm supply stores. The Screen Titan is highly mobile and can be quickly moved from site to site with a 1-ton vehicle for the Ultra or a half-ton for the Mini. The units have specific lift points that make it a snap to lock on the custom wheel systems by using the hydraulics you've already invested in, your backhoe or loader. The Screen Titan is inexpensive to operate, powered by a 20 horsepower Honda V-twin gas engine on the Ultra and a 13 horsepower Honda single-cylinder gas engine on the Mini, industry leaders in terms of performance, reliability, and serviceability. The Mini will run for 6 to 8 hours on a single tank of fuel, and the Ultra will run 8 to 12 hours per tank. Designed to be simple to use and simple to service, all of Screen Titan's mechanical components, including the engine, are located with easy access in mind. The belt, grease fittings, and bearings are easily accessible and serviceable with standard tools. In fact, you only need to grease 2 fittings every 200 hours. One of the most important features that the Screen Titan has to offer is that it operates at a noise level that is well within limits for use in residential areas, something larger screeners cannot do. Depending on site conditions, the Screen Titan Ultra can produce up to 150 cubic yards per hour and the Mini up to 75 cubic yards. The Screen Titan's 3 separate grade zones and separately defined load area ensure that finished product remains cleanly piled until you remove it. There's never any need to drive over the finished product to get to the Screen Titan. Couple this with the large main recovery areas and you have screeners that will stay in operation longer in a 1-machine setup or allow 2 machines to operate the screener without traffic issues, one working the load zone and one working the recovery area. Each Screen Titan comes with 2 screens as standard equipment. These screens are held in place with side tensioning rails, which allow for changeout times which are second to none in the industry and can be customized to meet your specific requirements. The Screen Titan Mini also provides 3 separate grades of product from each screen cycle and can handle up to 3/4 of a cubic yard of material per charge. Its 4 foot by 6 foot screen deck and integrated loading pan provide 9 feet of travel, guaranteeing that each load is completely screened in a typical 20-second cycle time. The Screen Titan is hand-built with top-quality materials and craftsmanship, and once constructed, it is sandblasted to bare metal and painted with a red oxide primer. It is then top-coated with a durable rust-coat enamel for extra surface protection. All of this takes place in our new government-approved 1,200 square foot state-of-the-art paint facility equipped with a semi-downdraft paint booth with 20,000 CFM airflow and 2.2 million BTU heated air makeup unit, as well as in-floor heating.
Hi, I'm Robin Horsnell. I'm from Northridge Farms. My brother Dwight and I, we've been composting source-separated organics since the year 2000. Major problem with source-separated organics is the contaminants within the organics when they arrive to our facility. It's an ongoing problem of ours. This year we've purchased a Screen King screener. It seems to be doing the job. It's removing all the fine plastic. We now have a product that's aesthetically saleable and more pleasing for us to put out into the marketplace. We suspect that this machine will pay for itself within the first year or two. Our returns on our back-end product were minimal within our first 5 and 6 years of composting. The guys from Screen King have been great working with us, working around any little problem that the machine has, which has been none other than figuring out our screen size to work with. That also depends on moisture of the product, and it seems to be able to screen a product with, say, 50% moisture, whereas our trommel screener that we were using in the past, it would plug up steady. These screens seem to be working, and it's a great machine all around.
Hello, I'm Trevor Sabin. Bought a Screen King a month and a half, 2 months ago. Like the way it works. It's a great machine, high production, low maintenance. Easy on fuel.
I'm Barry Boss from Nova Paving. This Screen King we purchased 3 years ago. It's been totally reliable, low in maintenance, and it solves all our screening problems.
The Screen Titan is the screener for you. It's designed with you in mind. Either the Mini or the Ultra can fulfill your needs, whether they be topsoil, compost, sand, Class A, pea gravel, septic stone, peat bog, bark chips, lime, coal, or black earth. You name it, and Screen Titan can handle it.